everyone. We are from Shedupur Commercial College. I can briefly assume that we all love indulging in sweet treats, but we often worry about our weight and health. So, with our macaron made with beef flour and prebiotic from raw bananas, you can enjoy the delicious taste without the guilt. We've carefully crafted a recipe that combines a classic taste of macaron with our local Thai ingredients. The innovative macaron featuring fat beef flour and prebiotic from raw banana, topped up with chia salted egg yolks to make the texture and flavor more unique. It's called MACARACA. In an era where people are increasingly health conscious, consuming food is no longer just about satisfying hunger. It's about making mindful choices for our bodies. MACARACA Prebiotic is a new exciting innovation that's perfectly merged the indulgent taste of classic French macaron with the nutritional powerhouse of Thai ingredients. The heart of MACARACA Prebiotic lies in the unique blend of fata beans, red, green, white, black, and chickpeas. These beans are meticulously dehydrated to preserve their nutritional goodness and then finely ground into powder. Our beef flour serves as the foundation of our macaron, offering a rich, nutty flavor and host of health benefits, packed with dietary fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Our beef flour helps regulate blood sugar, support digestive health, and reduce the risk of various diseases.
To elevate the taste experience, we incorporate savory salted egg yolk into our macaron filling. This addition creates a delightful contrast of sweet and salty flavor while providing essential nutrients like vitamin, mineral, and lecithin for brain health. Furthermore, we infuse our macaron with prebiotic rich raw banana powder, which promotes a healthy gut microbiome, boosting immunity and overall well-being. MACARACA Prebiotic is more than just a delicious taste. It's a commitment to health and sustainability. By harnessing the goodness of local Thai ingredients and employing eco-friendly promote methods, we support our local farmers and reduce our environmental impact.
To create a perfect fusion of nutrition and invention, culinary petition MACARACA Prebiotic. The delicate texture of the macaron combined with the rich flavor of bean powder, salt egg yolk, and raw banana crisp are truly unforgettable taste sensation.
May I present ingredients? Almond flour, 5 color bean flour, green bean, white bean, red bean, black bean, and chickpea. Powder sugar, dried egg, castor sugar, coconut powder sugar, cream of tartar, cream cheese, butter, sour egg yolk, banana powder sugar.
Enjoy the benefit of MACARACA. Improve gut health, prebiotic and fiber health balance the bacteria in your gut, promoting regular digestion, radiant skin, antioxidant and vitamin nourish your skin for a healthy glow. Clear mind, lecithin in sour egg yolk, support brain and nervous system health. Longer lasting goodness, fiber help your tooth for longer, making it ideal for those rushing their weight. Nutrition and nutrition. Enjoy a sweet treat that is both delicious and good for you. Thank you for your attention.